Hello everyone again, this is Jarau Moses. We have a new video today. I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from yellowcard app or exchange to an external wallet at free cost. Most exchanges charge you some fees to transfer Bitcoin away, but with yellowcard the fees are zero. So sign into your yellowcard app. As you can see, I've already signed in. I have some money here. It's in UGX. So when you sign into your app, you obviously, to send away Bitcoin to another user, you must have some Bitcoin. So I have a few Bitcoins, as you can see. I'm going to click on trade. So when you click on trade, there's buy, sell, and send. So I'm going to choose send Bitcoin to phone, email. So I can send Bitcoin to an email address. But that email address has to be registered on yellowcard. It has to be a registered email address to yellowcard. Or I can also send Bitcoin to a registered phone number. So if I have a friend I want to send Bitcoins to, I don't have to send to his wallet. I can just send it to his registered mobile phone number, as easy as that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin to a user who is not yet registered on yellowcard. So which means I'm going to send to an external wallet. So I'm going to send roughly $10. Let me send roughly $10. Let me $10. Okay, maybe let me put it into UGX. Let me send let me delete this. Let me say 40,000. I'm going to send 40,000. Click next. So as I told you, how would you like to send your Bitcoin? Send to a Bitcoin wallet, which is also free. Send to a phone number, which is also free, and send to an email address. As I had said earlier, you send to a Bitcoin wallet, to another Bitcoin wallet on yellowcard and wallets outside of yellowcard, or to a phone number. Send Bitcoin to any phone number registered on yellowcard, or to an email address. For this, we are going to click on Bitcoin wallet. So enter the wallet address of the recipient or scan their QR code. So I'm going to send it to an external wallet. So now here you ask the person to give you his wallet address, or you either it's another person or it's your own wallet address. So for this case, I've already copied my wallet address for my where I'm going to send them, and I'm going to paste it here. And then after that, I click check wallet address if it's the correct one. This address is identified as external. Yellowcard charges no fees. The blockchain network requires a minor fee for all transfers. So as I told you, the yellowcard charges no fees. So I say confirm. So enter your PIN below to confirm your transfer of 0.00 that. The price is that. Transaction fee. This transaction fee is of the blockchain, but for yellowcard it's free. So I enter my PIN. So sorry, I entered it wrongly. I enter my PIN. Then I say confirm. And then shortly, if my PIN is correct, my Bitcoin is going to be sent to that wallet of mine. Transfer successful. Awesome. We completed your transfer of 0.0002379 BTC. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you transfer BTC out of the yellowcard app. So you can click on done and maybe check the transactions. Click on done. It's here. Transfer status complete. So I have to check on my other wallet if I have received it. So that is how you transfer Bitcoin out of the yellowcard app. So if you like this, subscribe and comment and share to your friends. Thank you.